diving into the remarkable world of Hisense Laser TVs. And guess what? We're going to break it down like your favourite snack. First things first, what is a Hisense Laser TV? Imagine your regular TV having a fancy rendezvous with a high-tech projector and bam! There you have a Hisense Laser TV. It's like a TV and a projector's love child, born to bring you the most ultimate viewing experience. Let's start with the image quality. Hisense Laser TVs have a reputation of serving up some seriously impressive eye candy. Think vibrant colours, contrast that hits you in all the right spots, and a resolution so sharp you might feel you're actually diving into the screen itself. These lasers work their magic and cast an image so bright, delivering a viewing experience that is so immersive, you forget that reality exists. Sorry, I was lost in the laser TV world. Brace yourself for the big guns, large screen sizes. Hisense Laser TVs are the wizards of projection, capable of conjuring up screen sizes that put the biggest TVs to shame. We're talking over 100 inches. Let's talk about the screen. The ALR screen rejects ambient light, which means your content stays as clear as a crystal ball day and night. Get ready to clutch those couch cushions because we're diving into the treasure trove, longevity. Picture this. The laser light source behind a Hisense Laser TV is like an athlete. It just keeps on going. Less hassle with maintenance and replacements, leaving you more nights for glorious movie time. And for those who are conscious about their eye health, Hisense Laser TVs are a game changer. Laser TVs are designed with your eyes in mind. They emit light, which is reflected off the screen, making it easier on the eyes, pardon the pun. We've dialed down the harmful blue light to make your comfort our priority. So there you have it, the magical world of Hisense Laser TV. Image quality? Check. Big screen magic? Check. Laser-powered awesomeness? Check and double check. Right, we're done. Can I get one of these to go?